Good morning, my dear young learners. Welcome back to the maths class. I am sure you are enjoying the classes which are going on through videos. Yes, and your concepts are also very clear because whatever you have sent is all correct. I'm so happy to see that work. I really appreciate the work sent by you because you have put in so much of efforts. So please keep on sharing your work so that I come to know that you have understood the concept very well. So let's see the topics which we have covered till now. We have done let's recall, that was the first page of the book. Then we did 4-digit numbers. Then we did representation of numbers in abacus, those 4-digit numbers, how to represent in the abacus through drawing the beads. Then we did number names, writing the numbers in words. Then based on these 3 topics, we did exercise 1.1. Then the another topic we did, that was place value, face value, then expanded form and short form. And then based on these 2 topics, place value and expanded form, we did exercise 1.2. Now, let's see the topics to be covered today. Today, we will be doing the comparison of numbers. Like we will be comparing the 2 numbers, which one is smaller and which one is greater. Then we will do before, after and between. This topic also you have done in class 2, which number comes before, which number comes after, and which number comes between the 2 numbers. So it will be more or like the same. Then let's see the comparison of numbers. In comparison of numbers, we have 2 types of things. First, different number of digits. Like if the numbers having different number of digits, in that case, we will see how we will compare. Like suppose this is a number in which how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this number, we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So the number with more digits is always greater. Okay, let's see through an example. If I have to compare 2 numbers, 3421 and 689. So let's count the number of digits. In the first number, the number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So which one will be the greater one? Yes, the number with the more digits. So that is why 3421 is greater than 689, because the number of digits in 3421 is more than in 689. Now let's see another type of comparison where we have same number of digits. Like if I have to compare 2 numbers having 4 digits. So when the number of digits is same, we have to start comparing from the leftmost digit. That is the digit at the thousands place. Let's see through an example. If I have to compare 7,634 with 7,643, how will I do? I will first see the leftmost digit. That is the digit at the thousands place. That is 7. Here also it is 7. Now let's see the hundredths digit. The hundredths digit is 6. Here also it is 6. Then we'll go to tens digit. The digit at tens place is 3 here. And here it is 4. So that means 3 is less than 4. So that means this number is less than this number. Yes. So that is why 7,634 is less than 7,643. So we can say as the digit at the tens place in 7634 is less than the tens place in 7643. That is why this number is smaller. Now, the another topic is before, after, and between. Under this, you will come to know a different term, that is consecutive numbers. This is a new term for you. Consecutive numbers means the numbers which follow one after the other. Basically, the numbers which follow one after the other are called consecutive numbers. As you can see over here, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So these are the consecutive numbers. So let's see in the 4 digits numbers how it goes. Here, if I say what comes after 2341, it is 2342. So these are the numbers which come one after the other. So 2341, then 2342, then 2343, and then 2344. So it's a consecutive numbers. Now, another topic under before, after, and between is predecessor. Predecessor means the previous number, the number which comes before a number. So we can say the number that comes just before the number is called the predecessor. Don't worry, child. Let's see through an example. If I have to find the predecessor of 4,398, then I will subtract 1. Yes, I will basically subtract 1, or I will see the previous number. What comes before 4,398? It is 4,397. Right. So, have you understood how to find the predecessor? You just have to find the previous number. If it becomes difficult for you to find the previous number, you can just simply subtract 1 from the number and you will get the predecessor. Predecessor is a new term, but it is basically previous number. Now, the next comes is successor. Yes, successor is +1 means the next number. So successor means next number. What comes after? Number that comes just after the number is called the predecessor. Let's see through an example. Successor of 3,285 is 3,286. Correct. You can find out the number after this, or you can just add 1 to it. So you will get the successor. I hope you have understood what do you mean by successor or the predecessor. These are the new terms, but don't worry, children. You just have to find the previous number and the next number. Now, let's see your knowledge. You have to put the correct sign. This is what? Greater than. What is the sign? Less than. And what is the sign? Equal to. So how do we use to compare the numbers? First, we'll have to check whether the number of digits are same or not. Yes, let's see. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 digits. Let's count here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digits. So how will we compare? We will just see the first leftmost digit of the first number. The leftmost digit is 2. Here also it is 2. The digit at the hundreds place is 3. Here also it is 3. Okay. At tens place it is 4. And here it is 3. So which one is greater, baby? Tell me, 4 or 3? Yes, it is 4. So the answer would be greater than. This number is greater than this number. Very nice. Now let's see another example. Here we have 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. And here how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means which one is greater? The number having more digits. Correct, babies. Now we will put a sign less than. Very nice. Now let's compare the last one. It is looking very easy. Let's see how. Here also let's count the number of digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is also 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means both the digits are same. Now we will compare the number by checking the digits. The digits at the 1000 place is 4 here. Here also it is 4. Here it is 2. And here also it is 2. Here it is 7. And here also it is 7. Here it is 3. And here it is 3. So that means it is equal. So the answer would be equal. You have to honestly tell me how many questions were correct. Okay, in the message when you will be sending test yourselves answers, you have to tell me how many were correct. I know you have understood the concept, you will be able to tell the answers easily. Now, the another concept which I taught you was predecessor and the successor. You just have to write the predecessor over here and the successor over here. Predecessor means the number which comes before this number or a previous number. And the successor was the number which comes after this. Okay, so let's see. The predecessor of 9,865. Guess what? Yes, it is 9,800. Yes, 64. Very good. The answer is correct. 9,864. Now, let's see the number which will be coming after 9,865. Yes, that means the successor of this number. Let's see the successor. 9,000, yes. 800, correct. 66. Well done. Now, let's see the predecessor of this. You will have to tell me. 3,420. So what comes before 3,420? 3,419. Yes, very good. Then we will see what comes after 3,420. Yes, tell me, think about it. 3,421. Very nice. Now let's go to part C. 5,200. Yes, tell me. 8. So what will come after this, before this? 5,207. Now let's see the successor. 5,200. Yes, 9. Very good. This is also correct. Now let's see another question. Here you have to write the number that comes between the given numbers. Remember, we have done before, after, and between. So this time you have to write the number which will be coming between these two numbers. It's very easy. You have already done in class 2, but you have done with the 3 digits. Now you will be doing with the 4 digits. So let's see. Yes, 6,544 will come between 43 and 45. Correct. Now tell me this. 4,394, then 4,396. So what will come here? 4,300, yes, 95. Very good. Now let's see this. 5,204 and then 5,206. So what will come between these two numbers? 5,205. Very nice. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe, keep washing your hands, and keep practicing, because practice makes man perfect, and you can do anything if you will practice. You will keep practicing. So thank you, children. Bye-bye. You'll be getting a practice sheet that you have to do in your practice worksheets. See you in the next video. Bye.